Alright guys, are we all ready? Are we all ready? Brussels lag 1k ping. I mean, Roblox has some small problems right now with ping. I'm also getting about 200 ping. So yeah. Okay. Also, Lex Polka is sponsoring this video, guys. So yeah. I think he might be deaf. No, he's not deaf. Never mind. Roblox is still loading. I have bad internet. I mean, it's probably just Roblox actually. It's probably just Roblox right now. Okay, I really need my glasses. So right now I'm just gonna wait for everybody to join. I just got my glasses, which is awesome. I'm gonna see again. There's so many people in the VC. The reason it's so quiet, by the way, is because nobody can talk. How many people do we have here? We have 18 votes, and okay, yeah, I think we have pretty much everybody here. We're gonna be waiting for like 5 more minutes because somebody went somewhere. So. Yeah. Lex is like, whenever I talk, he just deafens. Stop following me. There's so many people following Lex. Wait, where's Lex Polka? Where's Lex Polka? Lex, where? Oh, this is kind of funny. This is kind of funny, bro. This is kind of funny. Yo, Lex Polka, we all love you, bro. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start. So back, I try my best to be fast. Cool. Phaser isn't back yet. So we're gonna wait for Phaser real quick. Why aren't people following you? Bro, Lex Polka has like 6k subs. So you are very popular in my eyes. Thank you so much. Alright. And hi, Lex Polka is hopefully gonna undeafen soon. Alright, we're ready. Go in teleporter. Well, I guess Lex Polka is gonna stay deafened for the entire video. So yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and do this. I mean, thanks to Lex Polka who rated my stream once. Yeah, Lex is pretty awesome. Lex is really awesome. So he did undeafen. That's pretty awesome. So the first game is red light, green light. I really hope I might actually be a guard. It's randomized. So yeah, hopefully everybody got in the teleporter. We're gonna be starting now in 1 minute and 14 seconds. I'm really excited to see Lex's video on this. That's gonna be cool. What is your opinion on the virus? I'm not a famous person. Why are you asking me? Swarm Lex Polka, not me. There's so many people here, bro. It looks like Army Battles, the Army Battles Squid game. Hey, am I late? Ken? Wait, is Ken in the VC? If you're in the VC, you're not late. What's the ping I can reach is 600 ping? I mean, I have 200 ping. Maybe like normally I have about like maybe 50 to 90 ping. Might be just because like of some Roblox problems right now. Okay, this video is gonna be extremely long. I can see that. I have 50k ping. Okay. I'm gonna turn the volume up. No, not the camera sensitivity. Okay, that's not good. That's a little fast, but I'm gonna go with it. That's kind of loud. All right, let's go and get started. Okay, this should be fun. I don't think I'm a guard, which is really sad. Oh wait, no, it hasn't picked yet. It hasn't picked yet. All right, where's Lex Polka? Where's Lex Polka? I need to push Lex Polka. I need to focus. Oh, please give me guard. Give me guard, bro. Give me guard. No, I'm a guard. Rip. Rip. Oh, I guess I'm just gonna be a spectator then. I mean, that's good and bad at the same time. Okay, now I'm just gonna basically how this is gonna work. I'm gonna die so I can spectate everyone, or I'm gonna like stay alive. Oh god, okay. Yep, alright. Let's go, red light. I know I'm gonna die now. Okay, I'm dead. Awesome. Now I need to spectate them. Let me spectate. Game, don't break. Don't break on me, game. Spectate.